young man who came to a PG in Bengaluru in search of work allegedly stole a gas cylinder and a bike before fleeing the spot. The incident was captured on CCTV. According to the complaint filed with the police, the young man arrived at the PG on August 18th looking for a job. The PG owner offered him work delivering food from a house to the PG. After collecting the food from the house and delivering it to the PG, the young man allegedly picked up a gas cylinder, placed it on the bike and fled from the spot. The incident took place under the jurisdiction of the Sheshadripuram Police Station in Bengaluru. Based on the PG owner's complaint, the Sheshadripuram police registered a case and launched an investigation. So viewers, this incident is a reminder to stay cautious when allowing unknown people into your homes or PGs. Always verify their identity and background before giving them access to your property.